Discovered an old AP1 file from a 1980s PageMaker project? This is a vintage document from Aldus PageMaker 1.0, a pioneering desktop publishing application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these legacy Aldus PageMaker documents. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult AP1 files, you need a Plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. An AP1 file is a legacy desktop publishing document created with Aldus PageMaker version 1.0, a pioneering application in the field. Users encounter these extremely old files when trying to access or convert historical design work. The primary intent is data recovery, or archival of early digital layouts. This is a proprietary binary format designed to store complex page layout information, including text blocks, linked graphics, and typographic settings. The binary structure was optimized for the limited memory and processing power of early Macintosh computers, enabling efficient rendering of print-ready documents. In most cases, AP1 files work best with Aldus PageMaker 1.0 created by Aldus/Adobe. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows cannot decode design layers or objects, so layout-aware programs must open them. Your first step toward a working file: right-click the AP1 file and select Open With. If Aldus PageMaker 1.0 is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. Testing is key. If you still can't open the AP1 file, it's okay. The problem with this AP1 file isn't complicated. It's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, opening with Adobe PageMaker. Adobe acquired Aldus and continued PageMaker development through version 7. Older Adobe PageMaker versions can open AP1 files for migration. Install Adobe PageMaker 6.5 or 7 in a virtual machine running Windows 95 or 98 to access these vintage documents and convert to newer formats. Next, migrating to Adobe InDesign. Adobe InDesign replaced PageMaker as Adobe's flagship desktop publishing application. Use InDesign's PageMaker conversion plugin to import older PageMaker files. For AP1 files, first convert through PageMaker 6.5 or 7 to a newer PageMaker format, then import into InDesign for full modern editing capabilities. Finally, recreating in modern software. For AP1 files where automated conversion fails, extract text content and recreate the layout in modern desktop publishing software. Adobe InDesign, Affinity Publisher, or Quark Express provide professional layout tools that exceed PageMaker's capabilities. This preserves document content while modernizing the publishing workflow. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.